Today we're going to complete a food web quest construction using Microsoft Word. This web quest will consist of pictures that you guys find and locate on the internet of various animals such as owls, rats, mice, and then we will save them to a general document and then eventually draw arrows at how they all relate in terms of a food web. To start, I went ahead and pulled up a picture of an owl, and what we're going to do is we're going to right click on the owl. We're going to go to save picture. It might show up save image as or save picture as mine shows, so it could be different based on the computer. Go to save, and we're just going to put them into a pictures folder. And for this kind of a case, I'm going to create a new special folder for the food web, which you won't have to do. So then I'm just going to type in owl. Now that will save that image. So now that I have the owl's image done, I'm going to go back to the search bar over here, and I'm going to search for the mouse image. And here it gives me a bunch of different displays of a mouse. I don't really care which one you select. I'm going to go with this one right here. And once again, I'm just going to right click, save picture as, and I'm just going to put it in as a mouse. Now, once those are done and you have all of your images, we're just going to do those two as for this example. Then we're going to go back, go into Microsoft Word next, and put everything into the Word document. So now, as you can see, I have my Microsoft Word up. I'm going to first start by uploading my general pictures. Actually, I got to change my settings here just a second. There we go. I just changed the setting to 100 in terms of magnification. So we're going to go into Insert, Pictures, and then we're going to go and find our food web pictures. And I'm going to first insert my owl just by clicking on that. Now, it comes up as an entire screen, as you guys can see here. What we want to do is just shrink this photo down so it's just a little bit smaller, like such. And now I can kind of drag. For some reason it's not letting me drag. Oops, we got to go and change the setting here. I'm going to change the with the text wrapping from top to bottom. This should allow me to drag it wherever I need to be. And I'm just going to drag it, and I'm going to put mine right there for right now. Now once you get all your pictures in here, you'll be able to reorganize them into a more of a proper food web. And there's a couple of examples that I have on the web quest that you can look at. The next one that we're going to input, we're going to go back to the insert, go to the pictures. Now we're going to put the mouse in. Now, just like before, we're going to change the text wrap to top and bottom. Now we're going to change the size. And you notice, I'm just making them fairly small images. I'm not making them huge, but I can see what the image looks like. Now, just like any food web that you guys have talked about already in the past, we want to draw arrows that lead from the mouse to the eagle, because that shows where the energy absorption goes to. So the energy that this mouse gets from the plant life and the stuff it eats goes into the eagle once it's eaten its meal. So we're going to go into the insert, we're going to go shapes, and up here you have these recently used shapes. You have line shapes. You can do somewhat curved. You can draw curved lines with these, but I'm just going to go with just a straight arrow, and I'm going to go from this object to this object. Okay, and now I can change it. It comes out blue. That's just the standard color. We're going to change it to black just by selecting that right there, and then the arrow's done. Now, the only thing I have left that I have to be able to do is I have to insert text boxes. So once this part's done, all the arrows are completed. Next to the pictures or wherever you have an empty spacing, we're going to go back to the insert, and we're going to select the text box, just like this. And we're going to draw a little text box next to this animal, and we're going to type in the word owl. And then we'll say eats, just like the box shows in the web quest. And we're going to go rats, sparrows, ducks, and sand pipers. Oh, what happened here? Let me extend this for a second. There it is. And then once I click away, that box is representing that owl. So we're going to do this for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 16 total animals. Excuse me, 15 total animals.